Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Diya Vlogs. If you are new here, I make videos on career tips, job opportunities and everything related to tech careers. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated. In today's video, I'm going to share my Accenture onboarding day experience, what documents you need to carry, how the day goes, and of course a glimpse of the venue and food. So without any further delay, let's get into today's video. Now, before I show you the actual clips, let me quickly go over a few important things for those of you who are still waiting for your onboarding date. Number 1, you will need to arrange your own travel to the onboarding venue, as Accenture does not provide transport or pickup services on day 1. So typically, most new joiners travel from their accommodation or PG housing. Since my accommodation began a day before onboarding, I traveled directly from there to the onboarding venue. I'll include a link to a video of my accommodation experience in the info section. Feel free to check it out. So as accommodation is usually booked for onboarders together, you can also connect with your fellow colleagues and plan to travel together to the venue. It's a great way to break the ice and start building conversation early on. So number 2, be on time. Trust me, there are a lot of formalities and being late just adds unnecessary stress. Number 3, the best part, complimentary food. In my case, I was in the early morning batch, so we actually went for a breakfast in between the process and then continued with the remaining procedure. Now, the hotel I was assigned for onboarding was Den Hotel, Bangalore, and it was a really nice 5-star experience. But keep in mind, the hotel venue changes every year, so do check your mail carefully before onboarding day. Don't assume it will be same for everyone. Okay, now this part is super important. Let's talk about the documents you need to carry on day 1. So first I'm sharing the documents that were mentioned in my offer letter. I have given exactly what was listed there. 2 recent passport size photographs, PAN card copy, take at least 2 copies, copy of your degree or PG or diploma certificates wherever applicable. That is like if you are from PADA or SASA, you know like what to provide, right? So provide it accordingly. All semester mark sheets and at least the final mark sheet is a must one. So carry it with you. Passport copy if available. If not, please do apply immediately. And then certification completion document as mentioned in your eligibility criteria. That is the degree, semester mark sheets, all those stuff. So copy of Aadhaar card, take at least 2, and then the original PVC PAN card is a must one. So carry that with you. Now the additional documents which are needed for experienced candidates, I'll mention those 2. Documents showing start and end dates of your last 2 employers, UAN number and PF statement of your last 2 employments, relieving letters from previous employers, Form 16 and Form 26 AS from your last 2 jobs, experience certificate from 2 previous employers in case if you are not able to submit the relieving letter in the meantime. The next set of documents were mentioned in email. So it came with the subject like document needed for day 1. So original PVC PAN card and Aadhaar card Xerox copy. But remember you have to carry your original PVC PAN card. This is a must one, not the e-card, not the e-PAN card. This is super important out of everything. Of course, the rest of the documents are also important, but this is super important. And then Form 2, Form 11, Form F and nomination form for other benefits. So talking about the women consent letter, you have a separate women consent letter for Gurgaon and then Form L for Pune, Nagpur and Mumbai alone. And for the rest of the locations, women consent letter is fine. That is for your base location where your office is located. So appointment order, Form Q is for Bangalore only and Form X is for Kolkata only. And then you have to take printout of your offer letter and terms of employment which were mentioned in action items. If you already have a CTA access and your DOJ is correct, then download and print all the forms from there. As you can see in this video, this is that option. Now if you have not reached that stage and you're wondering what is the CTA access, let me explain. CTA access is basically the action items dashboard. After the approval of the details you submit, a list of pre-filled forms with your details is ready to download and print. So that's how you can actually print all the forms together, this option. So just look after this. I'll give that action items video link also. Make sure to check that video to understand how it works. Link will be in the info card. Now, if you have not received CTA access and somehow it just didn't happen for you, then here is what you need to do. Please print out all the forms attached in the email. Look for the one with the subject line documents needed for day 1. That email will have a zip file with all the forms you need. Do not write on them. They don't accept overwriting, cut marks, or error. They will literally reject the form and you will be stuck. So my tip is carry an extra copies and then fill them in the venue. Let's talk about the actual day. As I mentioned, my onboarding venue was Den Hotel, and guys, it was honestly like attending a mini corporate wedding. I mean, the food was chef's kiss, Indian, continental, desserts, they had it all. But here is the funny part. I got so caught up in the document verification hustle, I forgot to take any pictures of the venue and all the food. So thankfully my friend, shout out to her, remembered at dessert time. So yeah, that was my onboarding day experience at Accenture. Looking back, it was an exciting day, new beginnings, great people and amazing food. And guess what? I just crossed 500 plus subscribers on this channel. I'm super grateful to all of you who have been watching, liking, commenting and supporting my journey. This community really means a lot, and with that energy, I'll keep sharing more career tips and useful tech content to help you grow in your journey. Let's keep growing together. If this video helped you, please leave a like, share it with your onboarding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Keep going and keep growing.